MTD CNC Global are in Taiwan. We're at the TIMTOS 2019 Machine Tool Show. What a place this is to come. In fact, Taiwan is located just an hour and a half's flight from Hong Kong, so it's easily accessible from around the world. Now, this show is actually hosted in Taipei. There's over 23 million people that live in Taiwan, of which 7 million reside here. Now, why would you come to this show? Well, if you'd have been here 30 years ago, you would have seen conventional lathes, milling machines, bed mills, knee mills, but today the story is very different. This is CNC technology in a lot of instances like you've not seen before. Now, there's an incredible amount of exhibitors here this year. In fact, the show is 29% up on the amount of booths there are and the amount of products there are here for people to see. So let's get inside and take a look.
TIMTOS 2019, 6 massive halls. Hall 1 is 2 floors specialising in machine tools. Hall 2 is again 2 floors specialising in work holding, automation and machine tool manufacturers. And Hall 3 again is 2 floors specialising in machine tool manufacturers. This is Hall 1, which comprises 2 floors focusing specifically on machine tools.
One of the things this model offers us is a larger format and a 4- or 5-axis machine. We're also able to use different types of direct drive tables on this particular machine, so I can give the customer a German Peisler table, or I can give them a Taiwanese high wind. So the flexibility in what the customer can choose in a 5-axis is kind of the key to this machine.
Jack, you've just been walking past, but this is your piezo head in the background. What is it? What does it do?
The principle is same as traditional way, but inside the piezo head, inside have one piezo vibrator. We give the spatial signal, then during the rotation, it also can give D-axis vibration. Yeah, 1 second can give 25,000 vibration.
It's not often you come to exhibitions and see machines cutting in anger, and this is doing exactly that. But come round the back of the machine, because there is actually a machine with the guarding off. So it's great to be able to see the machine cutting in action and then actually come behind the machine and see what it's like when you take all the guarding off.
In Asia, actually, the machines have evolved so much that, well, you look at this one, how quickly that goes around a profile.
So you can see this is an angle head mini. So normally this customer, he needs minimum 2 or 3 machines to make this workpiece. But right now, this customer, he just needs 1 vertical lathe to make all these parts.
How many machines are you selling a year, Joseph?
We sold about 300 to 400 a year.
Well, this machine is equipped with a 50 taper instead of 40 taper. And the speed is from 60 meter, our original design, to 74 meter rapid on the 3-axis total. And the rotary table on the B-axis, we can go up to 33 to 60, upgrade twice as the fastest.
So not only taking big chunks of metal, but really fast as well.
Right.
Here I'm outside Hall 2. There are 2 floors specialising in work holding, automation solutions and equipment for machine tool manufacturers. So ball screw technology, you're probably thinking there's not a lot you can do in terms of your actual screw and your ball nut. But this is the next step. They've gone Industry 4.0. So here they've actually got a sensor in the system, and that's going to measure your temperature and your pressure to ensure that machine is running at the utmost efficiency. With the increased desire for efficiency, robots are becoming a lot more prevalent. Now here behind me we've got deburring, palletising, and this machine is actually polishing. The component on the end there, what they've done is they've taken the step file of the component, put it into their software. It's actually worked out the best part, so computer-aided machining, or computer-aided polishing really in this case. So that's all part of their software, and the Industry 4.0, ever increased desire for more efficiency. Jeremy, do you like MTD?
Yeah, of course. It's good channel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why do you like it?
Like so many information, I can know the detail of the machines news on this channel.
Now another step in machine tool efficiency is a system like this. This is actually real-time monitoring. So here you've got your RMS, which is monitoring an average of your 3 axes, then your temperature, then your max module. Again, real-time, and that's collision avoidance. So essentially making your machine tool anything with a spindle, and this can be retrofitted, anything with a spindle running as efficiently as possible. So in terms of work holding solutions, here we've got a rotary table that's being utilised to actually give a mill turn solution for a machine tool. And here you can see this will actually do up to 1200 RPM. Now, moving further back, we've actually got a new solution in terms of your worm gears. Now, traditionally made of bronze, they've actually made this one of steel with a special component. So normally 3 years they'll last for on average. Obviously it depends on usage, but this one will last in excess of 10 years. Here you go, here's a great example of linear drive technology. You can see this, whoa, flying past me in the background there. That was going at 15 meters a second. So if you're looking for a machine tool that is fast and accurate, this is where you're going to go, linear drives.
So we spent 3 days here at the exhibition, and that's about the right amount of time you need to get round the 6 halls that are here at the show. We're back off to the airport now, flying back to Hong Kong, then back to the UK. But remember, if you want MTD CNC Global to cover your story, then contact us via the website. We will travel around the globe to see the latest in innovations from the machine tool and the tooling world.